Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Air Canada gift card. Air Canada gift card is a type of gift card that can help you for paying your travel fees, advanced seat selection fees, or any kind of expenses related to your travels on Air Canada. To buy Air Canada gift card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type aircanada.com/gift card. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Air Canada's gift card section of the website. Now here scroll down. Then here you can see Air Canada gift card options. You can see the buy now option at first box. Click on buy now. Then here you can see two types of gift cards that you can buy. One is e-gift cards that you get instant delivery through email or SMS. Another is normal gift cards that will be traditional gift cards sent through mail. Now click on any of the option that you want to purchase. I am selecting Air Canada gift cards. Now here you need to fill all the information. First, you need to customize your card. You can see how your gift card will look like. Now here you can enter your recipient name if you want to send the card to another person. This is an optional choice. Then you can enter your sender name, that is your name. It is also an optional choice. Now select or enter a value that you want on your gift card. You can select from the options given or you can manually enter the amount. The amount should range between $25 to $2,000. With that, enter the amount of quantity that you want to order. You can add up to 30 cards in your order. Then here you can enter your personal message on the given box. It should be of 200 characters. The message option is optional. Gift cards can be only purchased and delivered to residents of Canada and US. So now here enter your shipping address. First enter your full name. The full name should be the person you are shipping the card to. Enter the phone number of the recipient. Then enter the address. Enter the recipient's address. Address to is optional choice. Then enter your city, that is the recipient's city. Then select the country. The country should be of Canada or US. Then select the state or province. With that, enter the zip or postal code. Then click on the option of continue. With that, your gift card will be added to your cart. Now you need to go through the process of checkout where you need to enter your payment method and give information regarding your payment method. You need to choose among the different payment methods offered by Air Canada. With that, click on the option of checkout. Then you'll be able to buy Air Canada gift card. You'll be notified through your email address or your mobile phone number after you purchase Air Canada gift card. This is how we can buy Air Canada gift card on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.